Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore folder options to default on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to restore folder options to default on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on this PC. After click on view, click on options. And here option restore default. So click it, click on apply, after click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to restore folder options to default on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update and see if this video is useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.